Hi, Jen's a D-bag.
Yo, talk to him, please. Okay. I like your little sexy style. Remember when you're getting wild? Girl in the club, you need.
Jen's a D-bag. I'm gonna go cross-eyed. D-bags. No. Not douchebags. Oh wait, yeah. That's what they are. Jen, come do the heart thing in the camera. It's this thing, you know, the thing that we do when we're in love. If I had Tourette's, I'd be like this. Like, what if
Steve has Tourette's.
What if somebody with Tourette's, like,
I don't even know him.
you were giving them head, and then they just had Tourette's, and they were like, oh, and they like shoved it down your throat, and you're like, and then you like choke on it. Jen, come over here already. I miss you, baby. I miss you so much.
What am I doing?
Nope. 3.14, 3.14. Oh!
Okay.
Call somebody. Call 911.
Okay, what do you want? Okay, sorry.
I'm trying to eat you. Ah! Bye, woman's.